All right, our top focus at this hour. 10 coastal districts across India's Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha states are on red alert for Cyclone Michaung. Country's weather office has sounded warnings of extremely heavy rainfall that can range from 200 to 250 millimeters in the next 24 hours. The South Central Railways has cancelled at least 144 trains in the wake of the cyclone. Now, this is just in Chennai city's airports. Operations have been disrupted due to Cyclone Michaung. A grounded plane on the tarmac was spotted amid rain as stranded passengers stood waiting. People were also seen queuing at check-in and ticket counters. Life in Chennai has come to a standstill. These are the reports that have come in as water inundated in all major roads of the city. Commuters were spotted wading through neck-high water in certain areas as vehicles continued to collide with each other due to torrential waves. Since yesterday, rains lashed parts of southern India as the tropical cyclone began its approach. Now, the region is now bracing for the cyclone to make a landfall tomorrow. India's Met Office says that it is likely to move northwestwards and intensify further into a severe cyclonic storm by today. The low pressure area was over the Bay of Bengal. The system turned into a deep depression on Saturday. Now, the Tamil Nadu state government has converted at least 400 private marriage halls to provide shelter to those who have been affected already. Rescue operations have begun around Chennai city to evacuate those affected. Boats were spotted with disaster response forces giving public service announcements. Emergency food supplies for over 10,000 people are also being prepared, and an additional 25,000 meals are being made available to the state's capital of Chennai. Rescue and relief teams of the Coast Guard, Army and Navy, along with ships and aircraft, have been kept ready on standby. The National Disaster Response Force has made 18 teams available to Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Puducherry, and 10 additional teams are kept as reserve in readiness relief camps which are being set up, and arrangements are being made to evacuate coastal regions if needed. The Indian Prime Minister has assured the central government's support to the affected areas in the affected states for rescue efforts. Authorities have issued warnings to fisher folk and the public to not venture out amid the approaching cyclone.
The sea will be more rough to very rough over southwest bay and west central bay and along the north Tamil Nadu Andhra coast. Fishermen are next to 2 to 3 days. Fishermen are advised not to venture into this area for next 3 days.
Now, this name Michaung, it actually comes from Myanmar and it means strength or resilience, but the kind of effect it has already had will require a lot of resilience to get past it. Chennai has been hit overall. All right, we are now being joined by our correspondent Siddharth MP. He joins us live from Chennai. He's joining us over the phone line. Siddharth, reports are suggesting it's already looking like a bad situation. The visuals that we're seeing definitely means it seems like the entire city has already been hit. Talk to us about the extent of, the damage which has been caused and the kind of evacuations which are going on at the moment.
Equipped for certain extent to handle rainfall. Last of the city, the best of beyond water.
Siddharth, I believe there is a bad connectivity that we're having at the moment. Obviously, given the kind of conditions that you are in at the moment, we will try to reconnect with you and find out more of what is happening on ground. But we need more inputs from you to understand what is exactly happening. We are ensuring that our viewers get to know of all the happenings right now from the 3 different states. Our correspondent from Chennai tried to join us through the phone line, but connectivity is also hit badly because of the current situation there. But we are tracking the situation very closely. We'll try to reconnect with Siddharth MP from Chennai to give us a closer understanding, a better understanding of what is happening in Chennai and what to expect in the next 24 hours when Michaung makes a landfall.